Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact cell or contiguous range with the dates you want to change. This is crucial because Excel treats text, date values, and formulas differently. Once selected, look at the home ribbon number group to confirm the current format, date, text, or general, so you know whether to convert or overwrite. If a cell contains a formula, make sure to press F2 and note it, because changing the displayed date might require editing the underlying formula instead of direct typing. Now handle conversion and precise adjustments. If dates are stored as text, use text to columns or wrap with value. To convert to Excel serial dates, because calculations require serials. Once numeric, apply the correct display via home number format, choose short date or a custom pattern like YMMDD so everyone sees the same format. For shifting dates, use date, date value, or add /subtract integers. Add one for one day, and update formulas so finish by locking changes. If you need static dates, copy then paste special values to replace formulas with final serials. Make sure Excel's regional date settings match your intended format, because mismatched locale can flip month and day. Once done, inspect a few cells and dependent calculations to confirm accuracy. If anything goes wrong, immediately use Ctrl+Z to undo or revert to your backup. Troubleshooting often stems from text versus serial confusion or accidental formula overwrites, so recheck conversion steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.